Let's learn how to crop a video in CapCut. If you want to crop a video in CapCut but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open CapCut. When you open CapCut, you'll be on the home screen where you need to click on the blue New Project button. Once you've clicked on it, a screen will open where all your videos from the gallery are located. On this screen, you need to select the video you want to crop. After selecting the video, click on the Add button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on it, a screen will open where you can edit the video. But now, you need to select the video. Once you've done that, many more options will appear at the bottom. You need to scroll through these options until you reach the Transform option and click on it. When you click on it, 3 options will appear. From these 3 options, you need to click on the third option, which is Resize. When you click on it, a screen will open where you can crop the video. You can do this by dragging these lines wherever you want. You can also change the aspect ratio of the video. For example, if you need it for TikTok or Instagram, then set it to 9:16. And that's it. That's the tutorial on how to crop a video in CapCut. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.